Imagine that inside every single cell in your body, there is a microscopic instruction book, a book that defines who you are. But before a cell can divide, this book must be copied with extreme precision. How does DNA replicate itself without errors? Let's dive deep inside the cell and uncover the hidden process of DNA replication. DNA replication is a fundamental biological process, ensuring that genetic information is accurately copied before cell division. At its core, DNA exists as a double helix, a twisted ladder structure made of two complementary strands. The process begins with an enzyme called Helicase, which acts like a molecular zipper, unwinding and separating the two DNA strands. This separation creates a replication fork, exposing the individual nucleotide bases on each strand, which now serve as templates. Next, DNA polymerase, another crucial enzyme, moves along these template strands, adding new, complementary nucleotide bases. On the leading strand, synthesis occurs continuously in one direction, as DNA polymerase can add bases smoothly. However, the lagging strand is synthesized discontinuously in short segments called Okazaki fragments, due to its anti-parallel orientation. These fragments are later joined together, resulting in two identical DNA double helices, each containing one original and one new strand. This intricate process ensures the faithful transmission of genetic information from one generation of cells to the next. This extraordinary process happens inside your cells, every moment of your life. Without DNA replication, there is no growth, no repair, and no life. It is not just chemistry. It is one of nature's most perfect copying systems. If you enjoyed this journey inside the cell, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more hidden worlds with us.